Hey, Coach Greg here at Svelte Training. If you're looking for a fast and effective workout, maybe you're just getting on your fitness journey, then I have a 9-minute beginner-friendly HIIT routine for fat loss. This is gonna be great. We're gonna burn some calories, get our sweat on, and it's gonna go by so quick. So grab some water, just need a flat surface, and let's have some fun. Alrighty, going right into it, we have 4 exercises. First set will be more explaining and demonstrating, and then the next 2 sets will be more of a complete run through of all of them, less talking my part, more doing on yours. So this is gonna be fast, this is gonna be furious. So let's get started with our first exercise. All right, starting us off, we have some inside foot taps. Stand up nice and tall. We're gonna alternate between bringing our foot up and tapping the inside of it. That's why it's called an inside foot tap. Here we go, 30 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, 1, and let's get tapping. You really just want to make sure you're standing up nice and tall, and the goal is just to bring that foot as high as we can and reach down and tap it, just like this. It's almost as if you're playing hacky sack. I don't know if you guys remember that, but you're gonna feel it all up in your legs. Make sure you're sitting up nice and tall. Use your core, right, to drive that leg up. Just make sure you're breathing through all these exercises. So this will be fun. Just like this. Couple more seconds here, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Next, we have high knees. So we just did the inside rotation of our foot. Now we're just gonna focus on this plane right here and driving those knees up as high as we can. So 30 seconds, 3, 2, and 1. I like to have my hands up as a guide. The goal is, again, really pull from your core, tighten your core, and drive that knee up with your hip flexors, just like this. Give yourself a little mark to aim for. Boom, the second, or I should say the instant, your knee hits your hand, boom, drive it right back down. Just like this. Find a rhythm, make sure you're breathing through it. You're doing amazing. Couple more seconds here. 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Third, we have step jacks. So you have your normal jumping jack, which is up in here, but maybe your joints are sore, maybe your knees aren't where you want them to be, then the step jack is gonna be a great alternative for that. So what we're gonna be doing is stepping out from one side, bringing it back to the other, and then we just add the arm motions as if we're doing a jumping jack. So here we go, 3, 2, and 1. Just like this. This is my favorite variation. I sprained my ankle playing basketball and stuff, and I was like, dang, I need to get my mobility back, but sometimes jumping up on the balls of your feet can be very tough. So something like this, you're able to shift your weight until your body's able to handle it. And it is a great full body exercise. Gets the heart rate going. I'm already breathing heavy trying to get through these. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Last but not least, we have oblique crunches. There's different ways to do these, but we're just gonna focus on one side, 15 seconds, then 15 seconds the next. Sit up nice and tall, hands behind our head. We're just gonna focus on driving our knee up from the side and meeting our elbow with it, just like that. So we'll do 15 seconds one side, 15 seconds the next. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. So really drive that knee, meet your elbow, say hello. Now don't like bash it into it, but the goal is also we want to drive that knee from the side so we really feel the crunch in our oblique, pull with our core. Let's switch sides in 3, 2, and 1. Switch in, and bam. Just drive that knee up, then try to stand up nice and tall once you come back up. Make sure you're elongating, feeling that stretch, and feel the burn. Doing amazing. Couple more seconds here, 3, 2, 1, and release. Great job. Those are your 4 exercises for this 9-minute beginner HIIT routine for fat loss. It's a mouthful, but grab some water. We're gonna get started with our second set right now. All right, you know what you're doing now. Let's crush it. Let's get it. Let's talk in my part, more doing on yours. Let's turn the music up and let's have some fun, baby. Here we go. Inside foot taps, 3, 2, 1, go. High knees, 3, 2, 1, go. Step jacks, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oblique crunches, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Great job. Second set done and dusted. One more to go. Grab some water and let's burn this fat. All right, you know what you're doing now. Don't even think about it. Let's just finish this last set strong. You got this. Here we go. Inside foot taps. 3, 2, 1, go. High knees, 3, 2, 1, go. Step jacks, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oblique crunches, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Great job. That was your 9-minute beginner HIIT workout. Give yourself one of these and one of these. You earned it. I hope you loved that as much as I did. I didn't love it. I am tired, but my body feels great, and I know I'm gonna be burning fat throughout the day just because of this workout. So I'm feeling pumped, I'm feeling good. Hopefully you are too. And if you like these type of videos, go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new ones dropping. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.